Hello everyone, I'm Vincent Swanlund with Coldwell Banker Riveras here in Cabo San Lucas, and this is Elefant Luxury Suites, a beautiful and modern style apartment building with 6 fully furnished units. Let me show you. Come on, follow me. Each unit includes a fully equipped kitchen, a living room, a bedroom with a closet, furniture, and a full bath. There are 2 different unit models, the first one with 2 queen-size beds and the second with 1 king-size bed. Even the suites in the same level can be connected just by opening a door. Here on the rooftop, we can find a kitchen area with a TV, a barbecue grill, a full bath, and enough space to build a small pool or place a jacuzzi. It's important to say that this building includes 2 parking spaces outside and 5 spaces in the underground parking lot. It is located next to Puerto Paraiso Mall, just a 7-minute walk to the beach and a 5-minute walk to La Marina. All these amazing features make it an excellent investment opportunity, as it is ready for operational use as a vacation rental or AirBnB VRBO. I'm Vincent Swanlund, and if you'd like to get into more details about this property, feel free to contact me. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.